Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. Attention Chevelle lovers and collectors, we've got a special one here. This is a 1966 genuine SS396 with the numbers matching 396 with 360 horsepower. It's a 4-speed, 373 posi. It's got all the good stuff, the gauges, number match, factory triple black, rust-free car. Go to volocars.com and that's where you can read all the specs, study over 100 pictures top to bottom, and that's where you'll find the price. Not only on this one, but we have a few hundred collector cars all for sale. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, you'll be the first to see the next videos that come out. But for right now, let's go for a spin in this SS396. Yeah, this car was built in Georgia. It lived in Georgia and spent the last few years in Tennessee. It's had the same owner for 23 years now. It's had a body off frame restoration. He tells me all the metal on the car is original, and based on our inspection, I would have to say that's true. Underneath the car is real clean metal. The chassis has been repainted and clean, new body bushings. The front end was all rebuilt. They did upgrade it to disc brakes in front. Disc didn't come out till 67, but that's a nice upgrade. You look up at the motor, it's nice clean Chevy orange, has the correct screw-on canister oil filter. The Muncie 4-speed looks clean and the linkage looks good. In back it has the original 373 12-bolt posi. It's even dated to this car. It's got sway bars. The fuel system looks new, the tank, the straps, exhaust system still looks new, and it's all correct. There's no Flowmaster, no headers. It looks like a stock restoration throughout, actually. Factory triple black, black top, black interior, Tuxedo black paint. Obviously, it has reproduction red lines, has the poverty caps on the steel rim. That's a nice look. I really like that. Has the bow tie mirror right here. So the body is absolutely straight. It's been painted for quite some time and it's held up really well, so it's proven itself. I have not noticed any bubbles or cracking. I am noticing this hood fits perfectly square and flush. It's a nice fitting hood. Up here, all the trim is real nice. Bumper guards are optional. It has T3 headlamps. The emblem looks new, the moldings, the caps, all this looks really nice. The windshield's crystal clear, the vinyl top looks like it's mint, all this chrome is real nice. The paint is just slick, smooth, no rust, no bubbles. The door fits nice, you barely feel that there's a seam. So yeah, all of it lines up really nicely. Rear glass is nice and clear. The trunk fits really nice and square too, very nice. It has the bumper guards like in front. All the trim is nice and bright and shiny. Inside the trunk is clean. It's got the sticker, it's got the wiring, looks new. All clean metal with a nice gray spatter finish. Has the correct mat. It has tire, jack, spare, and a real nice cloth cover goes with it. Weather strip is real soft. Window fuzzies were replaced, the weather strips, the door jambs are real nice. This is actual metal door edge guards, so this is an original. It's not the glue-on sticky plastic stuff. It has the deluxe wheel, the 2-spoke wood grain wheel. There is a little crack on each side. It has the gauges in the dash, and it has what they call the knee knocker tack. You'll notice it's right by your knee. I've never actually hit one with my knee, but it's right there. It's got the correct 4-speed with the reverse lockout and the chrome ball. So the 360 horse is the optional horsepower. They came with 325 horse. So this is kind of a rare motor. The VIN number on the front matches. We checked the castings and the dates. It all lines up. It has power steering and power brakes. It's the correct power steering. It's a remote reservoir. They've detailed it up with the right stickers, valve covers, hose clamps, GM hoses, has a hood insulation. It's not fresh restoration like it was just done yesterday, but it's a really good restoration that's, again, proven itself, held up really well. Just a little detailing, you can make it really fresh again. It has deluxe seat belts. They weren't even required in '66. Reproduction floor mats. But it looks like the door panels, armrests, window cranks, it has all been restored. The whole dash is restored. All the chrome sparkles, the lenses are clear, the dash pad is mint, and it's also a factory AM/FM radio that's in there. Carpets, headliners tight as a drum, the light works, the visors, the mirror look new. Inside the glove box, I just checked that. That's real nice. Sill plates are excellent. Back in the engine compartment, it's the stock distributor, wiper motor, the squirters are hooked up. Everything looks proper. It has a shroud, has the spring clamp battery cables on the battery. So this is all real nice. Let me fire it up for you. You can hear what 360 horsepower sounds like. Oh, that's nice. I mean, it just starts right up. I haven't even touched the gas pedal yet. It's just sitting there idling. Oil pressure gauge works. Tack is working. Battery gauge works. The radio's trying to work. I never get reception in this metal building. So this is a stock restoration. If you want it just like it would have been when it came out of the factory, that's this one here. Trunk light works. This really is a quality car. It's an excellent body. Everyone always wants a clean, rust-free, virgin body. I think this is one of those. You got factory colors, you got the original 373, you got a 4-speed, you got 360 horse, you got gauges, AM, FM. This is what you'd call a loaded car for 1966 Chevelle. Kick panels are nice, heater control panel's nice, it lights up. The center console's real nice. Yeah, this is a good car, folks. That's my impression of this car. Go to volocars.com. Plenty of ways to contact the salesman. They will help answer any questions or concerns you have about the car or the process, the financing, delivery. They'll help with all of that. So visit volocars.com. Plenty of ways to find them on there. If you just enjoy watching the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon, and you'll be the first to see the next one that comes out. Thanks for watching.